Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is tropical smoothie. Okay, first thing, what we're gonna do is, I've got 3 passion fruit in here. We're gonna cut them by half. And we're gonna scoop the inside into this blender. We scoop the inside into this blender. Then, after the passion fruit, that's the passion fruit. Then I've got 1 banana. We're gonna peel it. Roughly cut the banana and we put it into the blender. Now I've got 1 mango. We're gonna peel it and take as much as we can and roughly cut it, and we put it with the rest of the ingredients. Remember, always make sure when you do a recipe that all the ingredients are in the kitchen, that you have bought all the ingredients. Now we're going to take as much as we can. This mango is ripe. And then we're going to roughly cut the mango and we put it into the blender. Now, the papaya. We're going to peel the papaya. Then we're going to cut it by half and take all the seeds out. Now we'll cut the papaya by half and we take the seeds out. You see, plenty of seeds inside. We take that one out. And then, again, roughly cut the papaya and we put it into the blender. We take this little bit on top out. That's the papaya. Now we need the juice of the orange. We're going to cut the orange by half and we squeeze the orange. Okay, now we can Add the juice into the blender. Then, last thing, couple of ice inside the blender, and then we blitz it. For ingredients, method, and step-by-step pictures, please do log on our website robnjays.com or like us on our Facebook page, Rob and Jays. You can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and please do share our work so other families will benefit. Thank you very much for that. So now, we just need to blend this beautiful smoothie. Look at that. Oops. Beautiful. Refreshing. Okay, now we just need to pour the smoothie. Oops, it's a little bit thick. Oy. Beautiful. We can add a little bit more ice. If you want, garnish that with strawberry. There. And straw. Tropical smoothie. For more videos, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye-bye.